Hi YouTube, this is Demon, and today I'm going to be doing Hunger Games. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! He's got a lot of lag, so he probably won't get that much stuff, so yeah. One of these I know has an iron sword in it, and I want to get it, so please don't let Eve get it. Aha, got it. Okay, time to actually kick this Hunger Games off. No, wait. Just get my cloth. I'm gonna kill him with a fishing rod. New styles, or better. The heck? I wanna kill him with a fishing rod. Okay. He has a fair bit of lag. This is my server, so when you die, you spawn up there. Man, I want to kill him. This is going to be very small. Oh my god, I've got so much lag. I could swear there was one over here last time. So this would be so much easier if I had the chest finder. Oh, fun here. Golden apples. What? Oh yeah, here we go. I think there's golden apples in this one. Do that. Oh, fishy. Oh crap. I want to make this as long as I can. And I could just really kill him, which I'll do now. We'll be building. I like chests. Lag. Don't go right, go right. Has to be a chest here somewhere. No chest, I think it has in it. Oh yeah. Okay, this has been Demon, and I hope you liked this video full of lag. Oh my god, lag fest. Sprint maybe. I'm gonna kill him. And thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.